So we need a lightning rod, which is made out of copper, which is dropped by drowns. So I can just put water in the mob farm and drown all the zombies. Oh my goodness, the very first drowned we killed dropped a copper. So we make a lightning rod. Come on. Oh man, there's no way I can place this down. This is, oh my goodness. I should have placed it down beforehand and then done the pigs. Oh, I got it. Okay, bet. Now we just wait for lightning. Oh! Yep, we did it! Holy cow! Alright, now we slay them for their gold. Oh, shoot! They keep getting struck! This is actually perfect! As I kill them, more get struck. I got a gold! Okay, so we need 16 gold ingots.